Good morning. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from neoweather.com. It's Monday, January 11th, and we do have some lake effect snow just lingering offshore over the lake generally. However, some of this does get inland just a little bit. We can see right here maybe a little bit of light snow generally north of Route 2 towards the lake shore, and that may transition into parts of Ashtabula County, generally north of 90. But this is pretty much moving off to the northeast thanks to a southwest wind across the lake. So much of this is not going to make it inland and will diminish through the day. Ignore this 52 out at Cuyahoga County Airport. That's an erroneous reading. Temperatures this morning are generally right around 10 to 12 degrees. Our cold spot's Mansfield this morning. Very, very chilly. And let's take a look at the wind chills currently at 10 o'clock this morning. They range anywhere from about -2, Ravenna, Youngstown, to -4 towards Willoughby and Akron, -5 in Cleveland, -8 in Lorain, -10 in Mansfield's our cold spot. They get a little bit better inland, but not by much, just by a couple degrees. If you're heading out, and I've been out this morning, it's very chilly out there. Bundle up, dress in layers, and don't stay outside too long. It's going to be very cold, and it's going to be bad for you. We're also watching this development of snow out here across Illinois and even western Indiana. This is developing a little bit ahead of schedule, but this is our clipper that's going to start moving through tonight, and I have the details in just a second. So here's our clipper snow later tonight. Actually, it starts right over northern Illinois, right around Spring Valley, and then it's going to move off to the east. This is at 4 o'clock later this afternoon, and as we get into the evening hours by midnight, right here, we have snow generally west of 71. Cleveland and points west is where the snow is going to be by midnight. As we go through the overnight hours, everybody's into the snow, and then here we are at 7 a.m. Snow showers across much of the area. There was an interesting feature. It moves across the area behind all this. Look at here. Kind of looks like snow squalls, right? There's a little bit of energy aloft, and it's going to be just enough to kind of create some snow squalls here and there, believe it or not, and it's going to be in places outside of the snow belt that don't typically see snow squalls. We could even see a little bit of thunder snow in there too, and this is because temperatures are also dropping behind this. Temperatures are going to rise tonight and then really fall back down again tomorrow during the day. As we get through the day, the snow pretty much leaves the area by lunchtime here, but then we're going to start transitioning to lake effect on the east side, and that's going to continue into Tuesday night and parts of Wednesday. So how much snow we're going to get off the clipper here? We'll take a look here. Now, this is snow already on the ground according to this model projection, and it's fairly accurate. We got about 3 inches across portions of Lake and Geauga County and 2 to 3 inches across Ashtabula County, 1 to as much as 2 across the rest of the area. This starts at about 4 o'clock this afternoon. You'll see the snow move in from the west. You can see the colors, the blue starting to darken up. So here we are going overnight, and by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're looking anywhere from 1 to 3 inches across much of the area. That could be new. On the ground, you'll have anywhere from 2 to 4 that combined with the snow we just had the other day. Again, we transition to some snow squalls for the morning. That'll add up an additional inch perhaps, and then we get into the afternoon where we get into the lake effect. And looking at the east side here, here's where we're at. We have lake effect snow really starting to develop across Lake, Geauga, and Ashtabula County. And this right here is about 6 to 7 inches on the ground. So you're going to get about 1 to 3 from the clipper tonight into early tomorrow, and then another 2 to 4 with lake effect snow into tomorrow evening. Remember, that snow continues into Tuesday night and early Wednesday, and we could be looking at another 3 to 4 inches in that time frame too. Check out our Facebook page for the complete details on how much snow we expect to fall. On our extended forecast here, so we have snow for your Tuesday, generally around an inch in the morning. We're looking at 1 to 3 overnight, an additional inch perhaps early in the morning. We go to lake effect, that could add an additional 2 to 4 inches of snow during the day. Lake effect snow Tuesday night. Notice temperatures drop during the day. We're back down into the low teens and single digits Tuesday night. Cold for your Wednesday with some lake effect snow, generally in the morning, a high of only 15. Lake effect snow in the Wednesday night diminishes, and then temperatures rise Wednesday night. We're in the low 30s for your Thursday, near 40 on Friday with partly cloudy skies. And then the weekend, we're going to have to watch here pretty closely, folks. Rain will mix with snow and change the snow sometimes Saturday night into Sunday. We're watching a panhandle hook that could affect the area, and I think we'll see a little bit of both here. So you'll want to stay tuned to neoweather.com for the very latest forecast. Have a great day.